Plastics are treated as a product that miraculously appears from nowhere and it goes to nowhere. It starts when the oil and the gas leave the wellhead, and it keeps on being a problem at every stage along the way. Why is it that we're seeing so much more plastics entering the environment? This is the story of plastics.
If we see waste simply as an infrastructure issue, it will never work. In a zero-waste system, it's always people-centered. We always work with the communities. We believe in the power of the communities to solve their own waste problem if only given the right support to actually do it. And that is why we began to work with cities in the Philippines. When we talk about zero-waste cities, these are cities working towards zero waste. That is a goal. In a decentralized model, what we use are push carts, for example, and these allows us to go to each household and make sure that waste is collected at household level. The moment you provide waste pickers and waste collectors, the moment you provide a consistent schedule of collection with the right segregation bins, for example, all of our households comply, meaning the people want to do it. But the basic thing is, number one, we're ensuring that all waste are collected. Number two, that all organics are managed through composting on-site. The third thing is that we're able to recover as much recyclable waste as possible, as much paper, as much metal, as much plastic as possible. So the fourth point is that even in our zero waste models, they're able to reduce their waste by 7 to 8%, and still they're left with about 20 to 30% waste, residual waste, that they can neither compost nor recycle. But the beauty of a zero waste program is that we are not hiding these products. The zero waste program allows us to identify which products are beyond the capacity of communities to manage, which allows us then to engage the right people. In this case, corporations who are producing these products and packaging to either eliminate, redesign, or think of alternative delivery systems. Because if one community cannot manage it, one city cannot manage it, maybe the reality is that it's not manageable. The only way for us to address a specific product that is problematic is to not create it in the first place. We have tried to work with some corporations to address this problem, but what do they tell us? At this point, they're not made responsible for that. And that is what we want to change. That companies should stop that mindset that their responsibility ends when they sell it. They have to be responsible for the entire life cycle of the products that they produce. The solution cannot come from here, it has to come from the headquarters. These are typically in the US and in Europe. My vision for the future is all cities are going zero waste. After they've implemented the zero waste program, you can see the difference, you can smell the difference, you can feel the difference.